Okay, here we are.
Oh, fuck. That's so hard on your chest, dude.
Want to try mine?
Yeah.
We're shooting at the goat, 50 yards.
Holy shit!
The bottom one's 55. This design different.
I
Same
hope you
pound.
didn't bring him for backup.
Which arrow do you want me to use?
I'll just use that one.
Just use that
Use
one.
the same one that I... Oh, use the one that's in there.
Let's use that one. Oh, shit. Hey. I'm here to entertain, dude.
Well, you're doing
I'm
it.
here to entertain.
You got some icy hot for him when he gets home?
Fuck you, dude.
Massage. We're gonna have to pitch in and get him a massage. You guys ain't got nothing planned tomorrow, do you? Get out of bed.
He's got work.
He's calling in.
Let's go.
No. Oh shit, I gotta see that now.
Have you ever thought of doing a stand-up?